In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webflow custom domain issues. If your custom domain is not connecting properly in Webflow, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to a few common settings, and once you know where to look, it becomes much easier to troubleshoot. The first thing you'll want to do is verify your DNS records. This is one of the most important parts of connecting a custom domain. Go to your domain provider and compare the DNS records there with the records Webflow expects you to use. Even a small typo, a missing record, or an outdated value can prevent your domain from working correctly, so take a moment to check everything carefully. Next, check for DNS propagation. After making DNS changes, they don't always update everywhere immediately. Sometimes the changes can take a bit of time to spread across the internet, so if you recently updated your records, the issue may simply be that the changes haven't fully propagated yet. In that case, waiting a little longer can solve the problem. After that, confirm your publishing and default domain settings inside Webflow. It's possible for the domain to be connected, but the site still may not behave correctly if the publishing configuration is incomplete. Go into your site settings and review the publishing section to make sure your setup matches the domain you want visitors to use. While you're there, make sure you are publishing to both selected domains. This is especially important if you're using both the root domain and the www version. If only one version is published, visitors may run into errors or inconsistent behavior, depending on which version they enter. You should also set one of your domains as the default domain. Typically, this will be either the www version or the root domain, depending on your preference. Setting a default helps Webflow handle redirects properly, so users are sent to the correct version of your site automatically. Another thing to keep in mind is browser caching. Sometimes your website has updated correctly, but your browser is still showing an older version. This can make it seem like nothing changed, even when the fix is already live. To check for that, open your site in an incognito or private browsing window. You can also clear your browser cache. This is a quick way to confirm whether the issue is truly with the domain setup or just with locally stored browser data. Finally, if your domain is already connected to another Webflow project, you'll need to remove it from that project first. Go to the other project, open site settings, then publishing, then production, and use the three-dot menu to remove the domain. Once it's disconnected, you can add it to your current site. That's how to fix Webflow custom domain issues and get your site connected properly.